to you about the WVOS2TX. This is a 2-camera transmitter that will allow you to view the image on your phone. The WVOS2TX will allow you to be up to 100 meters away from your vehicle, still being able to see what's behind you at all times.
On the back of this trailer, there's a wired Voyager camera. The WVOS2TX can be mounted anywhere. 2 camera inputs, extension cable, and any of our Voyager wired cameras.
Setting up the system to work on your phone is quite simple. Apply power to the transmitter, 12-volt power that you can pick up. Install your Voyager wired cameras, optional for 2 cameras. 1 is just fine. There's a QR code on the transmitter. Scanning that with my phone will take me right to the Voyager Vision App I need. Now that I have the app downloaded on my phone, I'll go into my phone's settings, find the Wi-Fi network that the transmitter is producing, and connect to that. Now that the app is downloaded, I can see my images. I can change the orientation. I can take a screenshot. There is a settings option, which will allow me to rename the cameras, change the orientation, change the split screen,